Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to access your hard drive in your Konica Minolta copier. If your copier looks similar to this, it's going to be the same function. I'm going to be using a Bizhub 368E, but if you have like a C258, C368, 458 or so, it should be about the same process. Okay, so for this video, all you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to be using a power screwdriver here just to make this faster. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and turn the machine around. All right, guys, now that I have it turned around, there's going to be approximately 11 screws. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the first one. I like to remove the small cover in the bottom here. Some people don't, but it just makes it easier when putting the cover back. And then if you're going to notice some rubber decorative covers here, your machine might not have it, but if you see little covers like this, you have to pop them out to find the screw behind it. I'm going to go ahead and pop one out real quick. You could just do it either just on the side, push your Phillips screwdriver in and just kind of wiggle it, and then with the other hand just go ahead and pull it out. So it's not that difficult. Go ahead and save them when you're done. Again, they're decorative covers. If you lose any, it's not a big deal, so set those aside. So we're going to get started. It helps to use a magnetic tip Phillips screwdriver so that the screws don't fall off. But if you don't have one, then just be careful. There's a lot of screws on Konica Minolta machines. I think more than what you probably need. So if you lose one, it's not a big deal. But try not to lose it. Okay, so now that we got the cover off, okay, so now we have, your machine may or may not have this protective silver cover here, but if it does, remove the top screws. And that cover will just drop down, and your hard drive is right there. You got two connections, just like your typical hard drive right here. You unplug that. So if you need to disconnect, it's going to be one connection here. And then you're going to go ahead, if you want to remove it, there's a couple screws there. And then if you reach towards the bottom, you'll find another one there. And the fourth one. So total of 4 screws. And that covers right there. So then you pinch, you pinch the bottom of this plastic holder right there. You just use your fingernails or a flat screwdriver. Let me go ahead and tempt this here. Sometimes it's a little tricky here. There you go. Just pop it open. There you go. And then you got another one right here, another safety. So that's how you remove, you get access to your hard drive. If you need to replace it for whatever reason, that's how you do it. Okay, so now that you have your hard drive out, if you are replacing it and it doesn't come with this housing, it's quite simple how to remove the hard drive from this housing. I'll go ahead and show you now. First step we're going to do is remove the side screws that you see there. Go ahead and flip that around, and then you got another screw here on the top. And that cover comes out. Now there's your hard drive. To remove your hard drive, you just, if you want to disconnect the cables, you can. And now you got 4 screws on the bottom, your typical hard drive screws. Make sure you don't lose that grounding. You notice we're not taking the screw all the way out. and then that just lifts off, and there's your hard drive. So go ahead and repeat the process to install your new one back into your housing, and you're set. Thanks for watching, guys.